Good morning everyone. Here is the code of VS game. You can pause the video and take a screenshot of it to implement it. Here in this code we can see that we have closed all our important parts of the game in the container. Here is the container. You can see that here is the container in which we have made a button of restart the game, which means restarting the game over by over is possible in this game like this. We can restart our game several times according to our need. After that, I have made a button of it to make it prominent. Then I made another div to enter title of the game, which is VS game. Here you can see the title. Here I have made the div. You can see that, in which I have made the label and also have styled it with the help of style code. Then I have made a div to make a table. We will place our actual game in this. We have made, here you can see the table, a div of a table in which we have 9 cells. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, which means these are the actual place where our game will be played. Lastly, with the help of JavaScript, we have added our two tools that will be used to play. Here I have used heart and music. You can use any one of it. You can use stick, cross, tic tac toe, or anything else you want. Which means this game is very simple but a unique game. As you can see, AI is also involved in it. One turn is taken by human and the second turn is taken by AI. You can see it, which means we can make an effective and unique game with the help of OOP and JavaScript. Here I have opened the code again, so you can take a screenshot of it or can pause the video to learn everything or copy it on your code. Thank you so much.